Welcome friends, I am Urmila Durgude. In our 4th standard class, today we are going to use different types of paints, thin lines, thick lines, broad lines, and using different line patterns. We are going to learn more and more designs. We call them as in today's language doodle art, and in olden language we can call them as folk arts. When we use different types of color paints and using different types of design patterns, and when we apply the design patterns in our painting, that type of painting in olden age called as folk art. Okay, so let's learn that technique. See this page number 47, using different medium in art. Okay, so pen as a medium. Here we use pen, different types of pens. Okay, ball pen, sketch pen, thick marker pen. A medium refers to the material that are used to create a work of art. So what is medium? Medium means the material only, we use it. Crayons, oil pastels, paints, pens, etc. All these are only mediums. Watercolors, poster colors, all these are different types of mediums we use to color our paintings. Understand? Any of them can be used to create a piece of art. Let's discuss how to make art using pens. Pens are mostly used as writing instrument, whereas sketch pens and marker pens are used as coloring tools. Let's learn how to use pens to create different elements of drawing. So generally we use pen to write any type of matter, but here we use pens to draw different types of designs. Understand? Each type of pen will result in a different quality of line. Obviously different pens, different points, and different quality line. Let's start drawing lines using a ball pen, sketch pen, and thick marker pen as shown, and complete the boxes. Here we have, this is the pen, gel pen or ball pen, then sketch pen, and we have this one is a marker pen. Understand? So all are in one color only. So let's try that. Try to draw a straight line. Well, keep the book like this. It's easy for us. So don't use any instrument like scale. Try to draw straight lines very patiently. When I lower my speed, I get a straight line, you can understand. So don't be hurry. When very patiently you do it, you will get a straight line like this. This much is very straight. So friends, in this way complete this whole box. I will try now the next sketch pen. So broad point it is, then the ball pen. Okay, well, let's try it. This way. complete whole box. Okay, let's try one more. Broad tip thick marker pen. When we lower our speed, we get straight line. As I increase my speed, the line may be bent. Many times I experience that type of experience here. So don't be quick. Do it slowly, patiently. You will get a straight line. So try to fill all the boxes using different tips, ball pen tip, sketch pen tip and marker tip. Slowly the tips become thicker and broad. Okay, so turn the page. Drawing different patterns. So pattern is a repeated decorative design. So what is pattern? It is a repeated decorative design. It is patterns show up in all kinds of art across different parts of the world. Patterns show up in all kinds of art. So we can see patterns in all kinds of art. Means if we wear different clothes, we have different patterns. There may be triangles or circles are repeated, small circles, big circles, like that. The repeated patterns we see in on our clothes or any door. We seen that many such squares are designed or what we say connected with each other and showing different types of art or any leaves, any leaf shape is connected to each other, overlapping each other, and we seen the same pattern like that. Much more different patterns we see on our clothes, windows, doors or walls or tiles. Many such things used different types of drawing patterns and we seen all over the world. Okay, so in the given boxes, draw patterns as shown to cover the entire box using different paints. In the fifth box, draw a pattern of your choice. So this box is first one, this is second one, and you have to draw this pattern. I show you only one piece. This way. So this is the first one. After that, one more line. After that, one more line. This way. So when you color it, so in this way you will get different patterns. Use so small tip here so that you get a proper shape. In this way you can complete all these patterns, whole box, and here draw one more line. After that, draw again one more line. You can use scales, no problem, to get straight lines. So draw triangles here. And simply fill them. This way do all the patterns and fill up all the box. So well, turn the page now. So here also we have patterns and you have to find out your own pattern here. This one is your own creation. So complete this page too. So remember, this pattern is your own creation. So think about it, how to draw, how to find out your own. Let's see my creation only. So in this way, suppose I like to draw new patterns. In this way you can create your own patterns going inside or outside. Using uniform distance we can create a movement in the lines. We can feel a movement in the lines. When you use different kinds of lines and different creations that is your own, you get a nice design using this line patterns. Understand? So turn the page. Give it like this. Okay, well, look here, page number 50. Look at the given example. The object is filled with patterns using different paints. Complete the picture below using different patterns with sketch pen, gel pen and marker pen of different colors. So here we have to use different types of colors and using the same pattern complete this activity. So you can do it, no problem, nothing difficult in it, because you simply you have to copy all the patterns here. Different shapes are here and simply copy all the types of patterns and use different colors, different paints. So come to this page. Here fill the rangoli pattern with different patterns using sketch pen, gel pen. The same activity is repeated here. Okay, here already we have patterns and here we have to create patterns. Suppose I show you one type of creation here. It's working or not? This way. These are straight lines, so draw here also straight lines. This angle is not suitable for me. This is easy for me to draw straight lines, proper straight lines. So you can move your book and keep it comfortable. So one mistake I done here. So well, no problem. In this way, one pattern suppose I done here. So what's the next one? type of pattern I have done here. Okay. Not working. So you can change lines pattern also and fill up all the background using different colors, or you can use broad paints also. So tips can be changed when you want to focus some particular thing. So take a broad tip or bright color. In this way you can complete all these given spaces and form a nice design for rangoli. Okay, well, you do it. Turn the page. Page number 52. Patterns Indian folk art. Folk art means what? It's people art only. We people do that art. That's why it's called as Indian. People art means Indian folk art. Okay, so folk art, in a simple word, we can say that it is Indian people's art only. The main form of Indian folk art are Madhubani, Fad, Varli, Gaund, Kalamkari, then Chirial scrolls, Patchitra, etc. If you closely observe, these art forms have one common method of detailing patterns. The patterns are made with different lines using inks and paints. So these are the different types of Indian folk arts: Madhubani, Gaund, Kalamkari, all these, Patchitra, etc. All these are the types of Indian folk art in ancient times. Okay, nowadays, today also we are copy all that paintings because they are very nice to feel all the feelings. Here, Madhubani art basically tried by the women only, because women are interested in God and they feels like an experience that they are with God only. So this lady is the artist, and this one figure, this figure we can say, uh, it it is showing a God place here. Okay, so this figure indicates God and this figure indicates that artist lady. Okay, well, here we see different types of patterns: lines pattern, dot patterns, rounded patterns. You can see different types of lines or designs made by the patterns only. And patterns means what? The repeated line designs. When that some particular line design is repeated many times, we can call it as a pattern. Okay, so these Indian folk art generally depends on different types of patterns and feels very nice look. So let's try the same. Turn the page. Complete the picture by drawing patterns with paints of different colors and thickness. So here first of all we have to draw patterns and then we fill them. So draw patterns first. What's wrong with the pens? They are not working. Okay, well, no problem. Take another one. Sketch pen is better for me. No problem. Friends, look at this picture. So I use here mainly lines. I use here curved lines, straight lines, zigzag lines, spiral lines. Some dots are there. So generally I use only lines and different color sketch pens on those color pens. This type. So you can complete on your own patterns and own color choice, and maybe the design looks better than me. So it's very nice fun to do all the types of different patterns and using all different paints, different broadness, tips, broadness, all these things, different qualities of different paints gets you different types of designs. So let's try them at home. Complete the activity, and the previous activities also you have to complete. Understand? We will meet in the next period. Till then, good day, goodbye, and take care.